Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check storage left on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if you want to check the storage left on your Samsung phone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on device manager. Now under device manager, locate and click on storage. And then hang on for this to show your storage left. Here you can see I have internal storage and my Samsung phone is calculating. In this case, you can see I have used 87% of 128GB storage. Then the 87% so far is 112.2GB out of 128, and this means that I have about 14GB storage left. So that's one of the ways you can use to check your storage left on Samsung. Again, go ahead and open the Files app. Once opened, scroll down, come to storage. Then under storage, you see the storage you have left. That is under internal storage. And then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.